What I'm going to do first of all is to guide you all through the meditation that I would normally take you through in the beginning of our one-to-one session. So if you're safe to do so, if you're not driving, I invite you to get really comfortable. So this is to prepare you all as clients, but also it's a really beautiful way to start your day. It's a really beautiful way to end your day. It's a really beautiful way to, connect back in after an exciting experience. It's a really beautiful way to come back home to yourself. So get ready for a meditation with me. I'm going to get super comfortable. And if you're driving, please don't do this. You can do this later. It'll be in the recording. But if you can, and you're safe to do so, I invite you just to close down your eyes and allow yourself to come back home to your body in this moment. Just letting go of all of the conversations, all the efforts, all the running around, the to-do lists, everything that's happened before this moment. Just letting it all go now. Bringing all of the pieces of you, all your energy back home into your body. Letting go of all your worries and thoughts about the future. And just be here now in this present moment. Bring your awareness now to your breath. Noticing your breath as it moves in and out of your body, bringing your attention to the sensations of breathing, the path of your breath as it moves in through your nose, that coolness in your nostrils, that gentle movement of air through your throat on the in-breath, that expansion through your ribcage and belly as you inhale, and a gentle falling away as you exhale. Allowing the breath to anchor you in your body in this present moment. Letting everything else drift away. And as you breathe, just noticing that gentle rise and fall of your body as the air moves in and out of your throat, in and out of your lungs, in and out of your nose. Just this breath coming in. Just this breath going out. Riding the waves of your breathing. Allowing it to anchor you here and now. And just noticing, expanding your awareness out into your body. Noticing where your body meets the room. Feeling into the sensations in your low back, your buttocks, your thighs, your feet, your arms, your hands. The gentle caress of clothing on your skin. Anywhere where you feel sensations. And just allow yourself to rest a little heavier on whatever you're sitting on. Allow yourself to be supported by the supporting surface. Taking your awareness down to your feet, noticing the sensations at the soles of your feet. You may feel coolness or warmth, tingling, or nothing at all. Whatever you feel here is perfect in this moment. And taking your awareness down from the soles of your feet as though through threads of light, roots growing down into the earth through the layers of building, all the way down through the layers of earth, deep into the planet beneath you. Grounding you here, connecting you deeply with the earth. And as you breathe, just tuning into the gentle hum of Mother Earth beneath your feet. that healing frequency that is always here, always grounding you, always nourishing you. And know that you can access this at any time. Bringing your awareness all the way back up through those roots of light, through your feet, up through your legs, through your body, up to your heart center. Take a deep breath in here, really filling up your lungs with life-giving oxygen. And exhale. Take another deep breath in, as though your whole body, every cell is breathing with you. And exhale. Take a third deep breath in, really allowing your body to fully expand into the breath. And exhale. As you exhale, feeling your shoulders fall away from your ears, feeling your body soften, allowing yourself to rest a little heavier on the supporting surface. And now, within your heart center, think, sense, feel, or imagine a tiny spark of light within your heart. And as you breathe deeply and slowly, in and out through your heart center, that spark of light begins to grow effortlessly throughout your whole body, up into your head, down your arms into your hands, down through your body, down your legs to your feet, until your whole physical body is illuminated from within. Every single cell a tiny sun, radiating outwards in all directions. And as you breathe, that light continues to expand effortlessly out into the room, through every layer of your metaphysical field, to bathe the whole room in your light. Easily, effortlessly, your light expands out with every breath across the whole building. And as you breathe deeply and slowly, your light expands out across the whole region around you. Effortlessly out across the whole town or city, across the whole state, province. Your light continues to expand in every direction out across the whole country. Easily, beautifully, your light expands out across neighboring countries, across the ocean, in all directions, across neighboring continents, until in the next breath, your light spreads to encircle the whole planet. You are holding the whole planet now, effortlessly, in your light. Your light rains down like blessings on everyone and everything. You feel open and expansive. This expansion is your natural state. It takes no effort at all. This is how vast you truly are. Just allow yourself to bask in this feeling of spaciousness that you have created within you for a moment longer. And then take a deep breath in, really filling your lungs. And sigh the breath out, exhaling. And now bringing some gentle movement back into your body, having a bit of a stretch. When you're ready, coming back into the space and open your eyes. So beautiful to do that as a group. Okay, that's what I call the field expansion meditation. You're so welcome, because it expands your field. up to its full size. Actually, it can go a lot bigger than that. You can be bigger than the whole planet. It can be bigger than the whole solar system. Because you know what? You are actually the universe.